Hello guys, and welcome back into today's video. I have a very important video, and I have been waiting for this day for a while now. Okay, we're starting to break the downtrend, and this is going to be a very important video that you guys should watch through this whole video, because I'll be talking about a lot of plays and taking a look at a lot of setups that I am taking a look at. Okay, so overall, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, because again, I will not be alerting my videos on Discord anymore. Make sure to subscribe or follow me on TikTok, because I'll be posting these very nice short plays on TikTok. So overall, let's get into this video. First of all, before I actually start the video, the reason why we turned bullish was because we had finally done, Powell is done talking, and we kind of had, some bullish news, neutral bullish news for the market with the interest rates. Now let's take a look at the technical analysis, and the SPY is going to be the first thing that I'm looking at. Okay, as you guys can see, we have been talking about this downtrend breakout for weeks now. Okay, as I said, the best time to play the market is once we start breaking downtrend and once we start reversing. Okay, as you guys can see on the SPY, we have closed above the support, closed above the resistance, which was right around 430. So, with the SPY, we were taking a look at 416 being our major level support. If we were to break 416, our next support would be 403, which would be kind of like a gap fill. But since we finally got some nice bullish news for the market, we're looking to break the downtrend. Okay, so 430. Okay, we kind of broke that, and the first price target is going to be 440, which is most likely we can hit tomorrow, and then the next price target is going to be 458. Now this is going to be very important, because whenever I'm making this video, you guys need to follow along and set these levels. Okay, each level that I have, they're meaning something in the market, and those are psychological price levels. So overall, watch these levels for the SPY, and if we do retrace back, the resistance becomes support once we break that. Volume is also looking very interesting, because as you can see, we're kind of expecting a volume of breakout coming in over here, but overall this is high volume compared to the past weeks and the past months. So overall, SPY looks great. The next one we're taking a look at is QQQ, which is the tech ETF, and QQQ is also at major level of resistance, breaking its kind of like a downtrend on the daily time frame. So as you guys can see, 340, a mental level. We're looking to break that price target around 352. So overall, the whole market is looking to break downtrend, and the plays that I'll be showing you guys, I have a lot of plays in mind, but a lot of these plays are looking to break the downtrend, and once we break this, we're gonna get a incredible surge, or we could just reject and pull back down. So QQQ is looking nice. My next play that I'm taking a look at is AMD. Okay, I was in AMD. Okay, I was in AMD puts. Okay, over here we got stopped out. So I was up over 20% on AMD puts, but I was just feeling it, and I held over, and it got stopped out for 30% loss. So as you guys can see with AMD, we're at a major level of resistance. Okay, as you guys can see, we tested this resistance around 4 to 5 times on the daily time frame, and we're looking to break 116. If we break that, we gap up at market open. Our next price is 123. One thing to keep in mind, with downtrend breakouts, is that we need to be above the resistance we broke to be bullish. Okay, as long as we close above the resistance, we're looking very good for AMD, for QQQ, and for SPY. So I thought this was a pretty nice, interesting setup for AMD. Okay, we also have kind of like a nice gap, which could be kind of like a breakaway gap, start of a new uptrend. My next stock that I'm looking at is Apple. Okay, Apple looks kind of interesting, because we went from a like a descending triangle to kind of like a falling wedge. Okay, we kind of have a nice falling wedge on Apple over here, and Apple is also looking to break the downtrend. I'm really loving this setup. There are a lot of setups that I'm looking at. As you guys know, I love Apple, and I've had over 2 years of experience with Apple, straight up just playing Apple. And one thing to keep in mind is once we break the downtrend, we get a incredible run, for the market for Apple. So overall, Apple is also going to be another great play that I'm watching. Really, that is all. I kind of centered down my plays. Banks broke. We had that ascending triangle, which I made a whole video on TikTok and stuff. We broke off that. It's about to hit our, price target. Home Depot, I alerted today. We got a nice 12%, hit around 20%, and I'm actually got like another contract, 2 contracts, 3 contracts on Home Depot. Home Depot has a very nice symmetrical triangle setup, and we also have a very nice gap, and overall it does have a downtrend breakout. So Home Depot is kind of like a play that I am in right now. I'm really loving Home Depot. It has a nice gap fill, so everything is really looking very nice for Home Depot. So this is probably the only play that I'm in. Other than that, I'm watching AMD, as well as Apple, as well as SPY and QQQ. I wanted to keep this video very simple and short, and to look at the plays that I'm looking at. And there's a lot of plays, but these are kind of like the plays that I'm taking a look at. If I do see any other plays, I might post them on TikTok. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Follow me on TikTok, and see you guys tomorrow at Market Open. Bye bye.